Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video. In this video, I will be showing you the unboxing of Xiaomi's new Redmi Note 7 and then I will talk about phone's design, build and specifications. But before that, I request you to please subscribe our channel and tap on bell icon to enable notifications. This is the retail box of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. This one is the 3 and 32GB variant and it comes in black color. At the back, key specifications have also been listed. Now let's do the unboxing and see what are the in-box content. This is the first look of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. The phone starts at Rs 10,000, but look at it. It looks like a premium flagship with its beautiful glass back. The phone also comes in blue and red color options. The phone comes with a 6.3 inches display panel with a teardrop notch at the top. It still has a considerable bezel at the top. Even if side bezels are thinner, bottom bezel is wide. The power button along with volume rocker sits at the right edge. It has hybrid card tray on the left side. The phone has headphone jack and IR blaster at the top side. The base side has USB Type-C port and speaker grills. The back panel is made of glass. It has a dual camera setup on the top left corner and LED flash just below it. The fingerprint sensor sits at center of upper part while the lower part has Redmi branding. Glass back looks beautiful, but it also attracts fingerprints and muds. Even if back also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection, a good case is recommended. Phone is also a bit slippery. Redmi Note 7 has P2I coating to make it splash proof, but the phone is still not waterproof, so take care of it. Overall, the phone has good build quality and feels really premium. The phone features a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus LTPS in-cell display offering 450 nits of brightness. Display also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display offers nice viewing angles. Colors also look really good. It performs well in indoors, but I have not yet tested it in outdoors. It comes with MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie. The phone packs 2.2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU. Snapdragon 660 is powerful for offering good performance and nice gaming experience. This chipset also has power of AI. I will talk about performance in detail in the full review video. The phone comes in 2 RAM storage models including 3GB RAM with 32GB storage or 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. You can also expand the storage up to 256GB. There is a dual camera with 12 megapixels primary and 5 megapixels secondary camera. It also has a 13 megapixels front camera. I have not yet tested the camera properly, but here are few samples. Rear camera looks good, but front camera looks average. But don't judge the camera before watching the full review video where I will talk about camera in detail. The fingerprint sensor of the phone is faster than before and it is accurate. The face unlock is also faster. The phone packs 4000 mAh battery with support to Quick Charge 4. But you only get 10 watt charger within the box and you need to buy the 18 watt charger separately. This watch Redmi Note 7. It comes with premium looking glass build, Snapdragon 660, USB Type-C and fast charging support in just rupees 10,000. That makes it a deal worth to grab. I'm still testing the phone and I will come with full review by next week. If you have any question to ask, you can leave it in the comment and I will answer those questions in the review video. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.